Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to send files on Facebook Messenger quickly. It's actually really easy to do. So if you're on iOS, you're going to want to head over to your Files app, and then if you're on Android, you want to head over to your File Manager, and you just want to find a file that you want to send to somebody on Messenger. So I'll just use this PDF here as an example. Just going to wait for it to download really quick. It's just a screenshot of housing. So I'm going to click on the share option, and if you have Messenger here, then you're good to go. You can just click on Messenger. But if you don't have Messenger, you scroll down to the bottom here and then click on more, and then you could add more options to your favorites under suggestions here. But Messenger is just right here for me, so I'll just click on Messenger. And then you want to click on who you want to send this to. So I'll click on just a random account here and send it over. And then we'll head over to Messenger. And then you will see here that I sent this file to this account. And it literally is that easy. I hope I was able to help you guys out today. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.